The Design Center can be used to locate specific blocks and styles stored in drawing files on your local area network. In this lesson, you will drag and drop content from the Design Center into the current drawing. Open the Plumbing 8 project file, and then click the View tab on the ribbon. Click the Design Center button here on the Palettes panel, or type ADC and press Enter on the command line. This opens this Design Center palette, and we can expand the folder list so we can see the file tree a little bit more clearly. AutoCAD comes with some samples which contain Design Center blocks. They're located under C, Program Files, Autodesk, AutoCAD 2013, Sample, in this case English US, Design Center, and then down here we have a listing of different drawing files. Interestingly enough, there is an expansion plus symbol next to each drawing file. That's because you can actually expand the drawing file, like this, and see the different types of styles and blocks and layers and so on that are located within that particular drawing file. For example, I'll click on Line Types, and here this particular drawing has dots and phantom line types loaded. Let's say I wanted to use the dots line type. I could simply drag and drop it into this file, and then it would be part of Plumbing 8. Let's just verify that. Go to the Home tab and open up the Line Type drop-down, and you'll see that dots is now part of this drawing file. So it's very simple and intuitive to drag styles and blocks into the current drawing. Click on Blocks, and then scroll down. Let's say we want to use this stopcock flanged symbol in the Plumbing 8 drawing file. All we have to do is drag and drop. I'll close the Design Center. Now this particular symbol was drawn much smaller than it is here in our current drawing. So to make use of it, we'll need to scale it up. Let's move that symbol over here, and I'll turn off ortho, and then zoom in on this particular symbol here. I'll place it right there, and then scale this symbol, enter, from this point, and then we'll use the reference option. The reference length is the original size of the symbol from here to here. The new length will be established by clicking this midpoint. Then I'll go ahead and erase this existing symbol. I'd like this symbol to have a cyan color because it is on the fittings layer. We'll have to change the block definition. Double-click the symbol to open the Edit Block Definition dialog box. Then click OK, and you enter the block editor environment. Select all the objects that make up the block definition. Go to the Home tab and change the color to by layer. Press Escape to deselect, and then close the block editor. Save changes to the stopcock flange symbol, and there you have it, a usable symbol in the Plumbing 8 drawing file. In this lesson, you have learned how to use the Design Center to access blocks and styles stored in existing drawings.